Yusuf and the giant candy jar. Yusuf rushed into the house, threw off his school bag, and ran to the kitchen. Mama, I am home. Mama smiled. Assalamu alaikum, Yusuf. Wash your hands. I have got a surprise. Yusuf's eyes lit up. A surprise? What is it? Mama pointed to the table. There stood a huge glass jar filled to the top with shiny, colorful candies. Yusuf's mouth dropped open. Wow, so many candies! Are they all for me? Mama laughed gently. No, Yusuf, this jar is for all the kids coming tomorrow for your Quran class. You can just one today. One? Yusuf looked at the jar. It sparkled like treasure. He slowly took one candy and popped it in his mouth. It was sweet and perfect. But his eyes kept going back to the jar. So many left just sitting there. Everyone was sleeping. Yusuf toddled out of bed. The kitchen door made a tiny sound. He opened the candy jar and took one more, then another and another. Soon he had taken 7. Maybe just one more, he whispered. Suddenly, crash. The jar slipped and hit the floor, shattering into pieces. Candies rolled everywhere. Mama and Baba ran in. Yusuf, what happened? Yusuf sat on the couch, his head down. The broken jar was gone. The candies, too. Mama sat beside him. Yusuf, we trusted you. I am sorry, Mama, he whispered. I could not stop myself. They looked so good. Mama wiped his tears. Greed is like a small whisper from Shaitan. It makes us forget what's right even when we know better. Baba added, the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam taught us that true strength is controlling yourself, especially when you really want something. Yusuf nodded slowly. I feel sad and ashamed. Mama kissed his forehead. That feeling is your heart guiding you back to Allah. Always listen to it. At the next Quran class, Yusuf stood in front of his friends. I want to say sorry. I broke the candy jar. I was greedy, but I have learned something important. One candy shared with others better than 10 eaten in secret. His teacher smiled. Good job, Yusuf. Made a mistake, but you owned it. That's what good Muslims do. Everyone clapped and Yusuf smiled, this time from the heart. Moral of the story, do not let greed make you forget what's right. Even small choice matter. Allah loves those who try to do the right things, even when it's hard. Thank you very much for watching. If you like the story, please don't forget to subscribe my channel.